Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today I'm very excited to share with you my new cast iron skillet. Wait a minute. This is not a new cast iron skillet, but it's new to me, and I'm really excited about this because this is one that I've been looking for a long time, and I just happened to acquire it this week. And so what this is actually a Martin stove and range skillet. It's got the hamburger logo here. Of course, it's hard to see with all the carbon buildup, you know, that's on the skillet itself and on the edges, on the bottom and on the edges. The inside is in very good shape. This is 2 inches deep. It measures about 9 3/4 inch across. It's got 2 pour spouts and everything, and it's a number 7. There's a number 7 on this skillet. I don't know that you can see that or if the camera will pick that up because there is so much carbon buildup here. But anyway, we're going to get this thing cleaned up, stripped down, and re-seasoned. But I'm very excited about this. Like I said, this is one that I've been looking for a long time, and I've actually acquired it, and looking forward to getting it cleaned up, re-seasoned, and cooking me a good old fatty ribeye steak in it. These skillets, like I said, was made from Martin Stove and Range out of Florence, Alabama, and that's what the hamburger logo here says. I don't know if the camera will pick that up or not, but anyway, across the top of the hamburger bun it says Martin, and in the middle it says Stove and Range, and on the bottom it says Florence, Alabama. And of course, they long since gone out of business. They started back in, I believe it was like 1917 when they began creating and making cast iron skillets. Of course, back in those days, most of your manufacturers machined all their skillets like this real smooth. They don't have a rough texture. And so I'm really looking forward to getting this cleaned up. It's got very little rust to it, and you know, a lot of that has you know, we can say that this carbon buildup has actually protected it from rust. And so that's a great thing. But anyway, we're going to get it cleaned up, and we'll show you what it looks like with a before and after picture. And we're excited about it. So if you guys have any comments or questions, be sure and leave them down below. And be watching for us, because we're going to be getting this cleaned up, and we'll show you what a before and after picture looks like, and maybe even cook a fatty ribeye in it and show you that too. So you guys have a great day. We'll be talking to you again soon. Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.